different about our politics that it makes it difficult for debates to happen. Dito, magpe-presidential debate ka, ito ang kandidato, 3 hindi a-attend, lalo na yung malalakas, ayaw na umattend kasi malakas na sila. 4 ang natira, you only have 1 hour on television to do the debate, isang pasada mo lang ng question at pagbalik, ubus na yung oras, it doesn't become issue-based, it doesn't become platform-based. Maybe at the local level, it is possible. Fewer candidates, more localized issues, define geographic boundaries. So candidates forum, candidates debates at the local can work. It doesn't work at the national. I held a presidential debate in 1998 for UNICEF, issue of children. Sa UP Theater pa namin ginawa. Daming tao. Dami pa namin pinagawang t-shirt ng UNICEF. Lahat may t-shirt. Yung leading candidate, hindi sumipot. Ayaw. Kinausap ko yung handler niya, nagmamakaawa, sabi, oo, dadating. Pero alam ko hindi dadating. Kasi lamang na lamang. Kung sino yung mga mahihina, yun yung unang dumating. Kung hindi na yung debate, malalakas wala. Okay? Because we have created a system where, you have too many candidates at the national. And then, unlike the US, in the US, the only person elected by all the Americans is the US President. Nobody else. Just the US President. Because the US President who wins, automatically is Vice President who wins with him. So you don't vote for a Vice President. You only vote for a President. So it's only the US President who can claim that I have the mandate of the American people. Okay? Senators are elected by state. So no senator can challenge the President and say, I was voted by the American. No, you were voted by the Californians. Or the people in Nevada. So, in the US, the President is the only national figure. Wala siyang competitor. In fact, walang Senate President dun sa US. Because the Vice President is the presiding officer of the US Senate. Hindi ka pwedeng pumili ng ibang Vice President. Dito sa Pilipinas, nationally elected ang presidente. Hiwalay pa yung boto mo sa Vice President. 12 pa yung pipiliin mong nationally elected senators. So what do you create? You create a situation where you have 24 senators waking up every morning with misty eyes looking at Malacanang and saying, I can do a better job than that guy over there. Okay? And in many respects, they are probably telling the truth. And some of them got more votes than the president, so they will say, my national constituency is more powerful than your constituency. So we've created a unique system that makes it difficult to make senatorial races, presidential races, and vice presidential races platform-based and issue-based. Sa local, pwede yan.